All right, so here is your answer for the last problem. You should have gotten A equals 3 over 2B. Okay, again, you're going to, I took it, subtracted A, added a 5B, and there is your answer. So we're going to move on to a little less traditional than what you're used to, and that is your circumference formula. Your circumference of a circle, the distance around a circle, the formula is C equals pi r, 2 pi r. Now, why would you want to solve for r? Well, what happens if you had a bunch of problems where you're given the circumference and you wanted to find the radius, okay? Instead of plugging C in here and solving the problem over and over again for r, you can solve the original formula for r, and then that way you're just going to plug in your circumference. So it's just different. Even though you have certain formulas, there's going to be times where you want them rewritten for a different variable to just make it easier to solve. So we're going to solve this for r. So if you look here, there's only one r, and it's just in this expression 2 pi r, which is 2 times pi times r. So how do we get rid of multiplication? We divide. So this is as easy as dividing both sides by whatever we're multiplying by r, which would be 2 pi. So you're going to 2 pi, these cancel out, we're left with r equals c over 2 pi. Okay, so if we were finding the radius over and over and over again, all we'd have to do is just plug it then into this formula and we would be done. All right, so that's how we're going to solve when you're multiplying more than one variable or numbers together. You're just going to divide. So here's this one. This is going to be on your next slide, but I'm going to give you a helpful hint here. So you're going to solve this for W. So you're going to, the same method. You want to get this term by itself. You know what to do here. And then you're just going to divide, and it's okay. You're going to get problems where there might be an addition problem in the top and a number or the product of numbers and variables on the bottom. So go ahead and try, and then you can check your answers.